Master model of Dubai Design District by Meras. So this master plan has been divided into three zones. The first one is here, which is called the Soho, which are all low-rise building with all the amphitheaters inside here and everything. And this is the Century sector, which you have more greenery, where they're using 70% of the total land for the greenery and landscaping. And this is in front, this is the canal zone. You have seen the buildings where you will have all the dining experiences on the canal with the water view. So if you see the master plan, these are going to be the two schools here, and then you have the full IT department here. You have the data center. So these buildings were the first ever launched in Dubai Design District called D3, and this is the existing commercial space already up and running in the Dubai Design District. What you see here would be a commercial extension in Dubai Design District, which has not yet been launched, but these gonna be the commercial offices for the high-end offices. It's not gonna be normal brand, it's gonna be the high-end offices. This is where the Garage showroom is already there. This is where the Garage is located. So far, Ateliers has been launched. This was the first building on the canal, which is completely sold out. Right now, they have launched the new buildings called the Edit. It consists of 3 towers, 1, 2, and 3. 1 and 2 towers are launched and around 80% sold out. Tower 3 is currently under the expansion of interest phase. Price starts from 2.3 million dirham at the payment plan of 75.25. So in Canal Zone, the water area would be used for the 5-star dining experiences. If we talk about the location, this location is minutes away from Business Bay, downtown and DIFC. With the brand name attached of Meras developer, the same mind behind Burj Al Arab, Blue Waters, Bulgaria Islands and many more iconic buildings and communities in Dubai, they are expanding the Dubai Design District, which is going to change the face of Dubai Design District. Our only community mix of commercial and residential this close to DIFC, downtown and Business Bay. Currently, the Tower 3 is under the expansion of interest phase. If you're really interested to know more about this community, DM me, edit, and I'll send you the details.